How to fix data Inpage kernel error in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix this BSOD. The first step is run disk check command. Click on search, type cmd, right click on command prompt, select run as administrator, click on yes. Run this command on the command prompt. The command is given in the video description. Copy from there and paste into the command prompt. Press enter. chkdsk cannot run because the volume is in use by another process. Would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time the system restarts? Type Y and press enter. Then close the tasks and restart your computer. If the BSOD still occurs, then run Windows Memory Diagnostic. Click on search, type memory, click on Windows Memory Diagnostic, then click on restart now and check for problems recommended. This will diagnose the flaws in the memory and repair it during restart. Wait until the process is completed. The computer should start normally without triggering the BSOD. If you are eager, you can see the log after running Windows Memory Diagnostic. Log file will be located here on the system tray. Last method to fix this issue is scan for malware and remove it. Click on search, type security, click on Windows Security, select virus and threat protection, click on scan options. Here select full scan and click on scan now. Wait until scanning is done. If any threat is found, you will get a notification. Follow them carefully and either quarantine or remove the threat. In the end, if these methods don't work and fix the data Inpage kernel error, then you should think of the replacement of the hardware, such as the hard disk or memory or both. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.